mjumbe tayo lengo na noyo mo
Very good.
na ba musiye ba lengo ro ba kaigo out of the 45 ba Kisii county abangaite ba lenge kadoti ba trinete gali if I was counting ba ko 15 so what is nking insachini ngikiagarete eba bugate called the feeling which is kora mna kwa nyante ko bako kurigereria eba ne info ndi mutara cha sabu ga karata lenga
okay no na renga 70 you nanda nyote yar go target abasai lakini anye kwa lengali abagambi mba lengali abange sana
taro nyina na go no twalenge na
lengali abagambi mba lengali abange sana then to abate no hekero tugete mali tima yusinko igwetenga ndigiria wanafunzi getega wache
go feed the
so for me the feeling was like nanga ntugete karengenga yani kaikiranigwe
some boycott cases
nchiarengo chinyingi even abanafunzi kwenda kulinga inchu
mwesa
tutebanga yani baro sene media achire toratebe batebanga lende if you are thinking about young people they got to representation I wonder whether even those who were started there whether they had an idea of what the program was all about. Namba ya kabeli. Actually, na vera ikeno 90% of elected leaders. Na mono nyaba imzi out of 45, you can tell me Orus nominated one, say maybe onye ba renge gali. Ngai leadership ya renge, if indeed it's a program that is supported by the government, ere ko nyaba sa. Umate, as we are talking now even politically, abantu bara at the center stage nyaba sa. Everything is being looked at the young people. If Nyota was all about young people, baharini school baharini and tigato tabanga nenge tukia banyorete compound ime what if it was a holiday that basaya mbarengi gali usene ichi school ejifungire basaya bali mbarengi gali ese kwere mbarengi gali ese school then where could we find the young people who could represent that so if we are talking about Nyota program nchibona na roje was something staged yani again tutuebi chelinga inju because if indeed the core purpose was all about Nyota ne yabasai who are they educating there if it's all about abasai ngibata chira sekete babe kenda basai bache and they tell them but nabagambi balinga ali matches back with information but where we are it's all about practicality and that thing has a procedure ego ikerana at least the main agenda ya Nyota imanya ko ikerana. So for me, from the leadership, not even an MP, not even a women rep, not even a senator who was present. So meaning that much as it was done.
You already need to lukewarmness nero style.
Nero nando murobri Nyota no better questions was about the main target group. They were not even there.